Today I'm going to show you how to run a scan for free over-the-air channels with this older model Samsung TV. Now I've had this TV for about 10 years and it's been an excellent performer. I actually have a larger model like this in my living room and I've had that for about the same length of time, and that has also been an excellent TV. A lot of people might not realize you can use these TVs to get free over-the-air channels using a television antenna. And another thing, if you're new to over-the-air TV with an antenna, it's not like the old days of analog where you just plug your rabbit ears into the back of the television. Digital channels have to be scanned into your TV before you can watch them. So I'm going to show you how to run a channel scan with one of these older model Samsungs. You want to make sure that your antenna is pointed in the direction of your local broadcast towers. Next, take the coax cable that runs from your antenna and connect it to the back of your TV to the RF jack. Usually this is labeled antenna in or antenna cable. So now you can press the menu button and use the arrows to scroll down on the left side to this little satellite dish icon here where it says antenna, and then use the right arrow to shift over. Now press the OK button and you'll have two options here, air and cable. You're going to use the air option. That is the source for antenna channels, so make sure air is selected, okay? Then you're going to just press the down arrow and go to auto program, press OK, and then you've got a couple of options here. Make sure that you're selecting the start button for air and just press OK and your channel scan will begin. Now in my area, I only get 3 channels, but you'll probably get a lot more than that. And now our channel scan has finished, and now you can watch TV.